How to lock a WhatsApp chat on your iPhone. This feature helps protect your private conversations using Touch ID, Face ID, or your iPhone passcode. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. Then, open the conversation you want to lock. Tap the contacts or group's name at the top of the screen to open the chat info page. Scroll down and turn on the Lock Chat toggle. Next, tap Continue. If prompted, use your Touch ID or enter your iPhone passcode to continue. Once the verification is complete, tap OK. That's it. Your chat is now locked and moved to the Locked Chats folder, where it can only be opened after authentication. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips, social media tutorials, and step-by-step how-to guides. Thanks for watching.